It's me, Mama Dawn, again, coming back at you. Tonight we're going to do an easy recipe, which I call my 3-ingredient chicken. And why do I call it 3 ingredients? Well, because it's 3 ingredients. And the 3 ingredients that we'll be using tonight is Italian salad dressing and recipe mix. You can use the brand name one. My daughter went and got me this one here because it's cheap. Brown sugar and chicken. And the rest in the box, I will put the full recipe where you will use a whole chicken and the exact amount. I'm just using the chicken breast because I'm trying to get rid of it, before it goes bad. So, and what you need to do ahead of time is preheat your oven to 350, you guys. This is all you're gonna do. I'm recording by myself because my daughter's at the mall. This is the first week that we've been able to go out since we've been under quarantine, I guess you could say, or being locked up for the state issue one. So she's out at the mall, so she's not here to videotape, so it's all me, y'all. So bear with me, guys. Please bear with me. Okay, I'm gonna open up the Italian mix and have it ready, but I will put in the chicken. Sorry, you guys. Then brown sugar. It looks so weird with me having to record and do this, guys. And my dry seasoning. This here, you got the sweet to make it sort of sweet, but it's also going to take really, really flavorful because of the Italian. Now, you can use the dry ranch because I have used that before. So, when I didn't have this and I had the dry ranch. So we just want to, and it's actually really good. My husband loves ranch dressing or anything ranch, so he likes that one a whole lot more than this one here. But we get it covered as you see, you guys. Then I'm just gonna put them up in my pan. Let me just keep it on my pan. And let me see. And my last one, guys, let's make a room over here. Then, as you can see, I got them all lined up in here, and I will put them in the oven at 350 degrees, and I'll be right back. The chicken done. You want to make sure that it's internally done at 160 degrees, no more than 170. You can let it cook a little bit longer if you want it to be browner, but you don't want to dry it out. You want the meat to still be juicy, not dried where you about to choke on it, but still, really good and tender and moist when you chew and eat it. So you guys, just wrap up this week of what's Mama Dawn's cooking on, this Wednesday. So come on back next week to see what we're going to whip up here again, you guys. You stay safe and God bless you guys. Until then, see you later.